I have tried to set this up. I'm always complaining. I'm always complaining. I'm this camera stand. Anyway, I don't know why it's so fuzzy. What I've done, all these little things here, oops, they're falling on the floor. This is what I called my jungle flower vine. And it's actually a cactus. A rather unique cactus. And what we're going to do is we're going to reroot all these little cactuses. And I have cactus soil, a little bit of cocoa coir, and a little bit of bloodworm. And we're going to go ahead and sterilize the soil. The reason why I'm doing this is because the mites almost took out that cactus. And I need to have baby ones that I give people in my family in case something happens. I don't lose the plant. Someone gave me this almost 30 years ago, and they're no longer with us. So I'd kind of like to hang on to it. It's been with me forever. So I'm going to go ahead and let that sit just for a little bit. Well, I'm not real happy about that. I want you to take that out. Okay, we'll be back in a little bit. We're going to go ahead and let that, well, just get all mushy in there. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, well, it's a little more smushy. You just want it wet. The whole thing's wet. I don't like to have things too overly wet all the time with rootings or seedlings or clones or anything. And this needs to just sit a little bit longer. Yeah, you want it all to be moist. Cocoa coir takes a little bit of time. So we'll come back and check it again. You know, I really hope I can remove this fog. Don't know why it's there. Help me out if you do, okay? But anyway, these have been waiting so long. All right, now look, it's all soppy. And that's good. That's good. I dump the water out so underneath it. Or we'll just use it to, yeah, there you go. Now look, whenever, these are like donkey tails, and whenever they fall off or anything, can you even see that? All you have to do is wait for them to harden at the ends. Don't plant them right away or try to root them right away. And this is this is my Thanksgiving cactus. And these are my Christmas cactus. So we're going to root those. And again, too, I let them harden up at the ends. Can you see that? And these are just little pieces of one of these because the mites got it so badly. So we're going to try and root it right in here or here. But we're just going to go ahead and lay it on top of the soil. Well, here and here. And then we're going to stick him, and I let him harden up too. I'm just going to stick him in the soil. He's actually a cactus. Oh, I'm going to have to go get something to steady him. But can you see? These already had roots on them. But I had to take it because it was in the wrong place. Oh, you know me, things being in their place. Some of you do. So, that's all you really do. They kind of root themselves. You don't want to put them, you know what, you don't want to bury them in the soil. Just want to kind of let them sit on top. And come by and mist it once in a while, but I'll show you. Hang on. And always the part that was next to the plant is the one you put in there. I don't know what this is going to look like. I have no idea. I'm just trying to save their life. Yeah. Alright. Now let me go get my sprayer. And I'll be right back. I'm going to try and get you a better view here. Sorry. One day, I'm gonna get better at this. Definitely. Can only get better, right? Here we go. Sorry, I hope I could fix this in the editor. I really do. Anyway, I'll try to get you a better picture. I've got my little sprayer, and it has the 3% hydrogen peroxide in it, and water, purified water. So we're going to go ahead and spray it. I like spraying seedlings and cuttings and stuff. And this, I also want to make sure I treat it while I'm here. And, oh, I gotta get a stake. Just a little one. Because it can't hold itself up right now. It doesn't have any base or anything. Hang on. This is extreme, but it's just what I have available. You could do all kinds of things to stake stuff. But I use this to train some of my other plants. And it should be fine. And let me see if I can get you a better picture. We'll just keep checking on it. I should call it my bathroom oasis. We are in the bathroom. But anyway, there you have it. And that's how you reroot and take your plants and make new baby plants out of them. These ones were just in the wrong place, so they got knocked off, or they had to get cut off because they were damaged. But we'll check on that again. And this is these are the type of earthworm castings I use. I don't use them for any specific reason. These are just the ones I bought. And I bought them with my own money. They're fine. I am going to possibly look into getting an earthworm farm. Yes, I'm thinking about it because it's going to have to be in the house. And it's going to have to eat garbage in the house. So we're going to have to think about that. But until then, you guys have a lovely evening, and I will as well. I'll talk to you later. Bye.